The simpler I eat, the better I feel. It's as simple as that. Today, I'm just throwing together a really quick salad that I'm actually making for my lunch. My name's Dominique Ludwig and I'm a nutritionist. So I'm starting with an onion squash. Onion squash is the really vibrant orange squashes that are around at this time of year. You can literally cut them up and roast them with their skins on and eat them with their skin. So you can't escape pumpkins, they're everywhere at the moment. And they're lovely in salads because they're somehow more satisfying than just lettuce leaves and things like that. And you can eat them slightly warm, which I really like too. So I've put a quarter on my plate. I'm going to add a whole load of rock extra. I like the bitterness with the sweetness of the squash. And then I've just cooked up some goat's cheese in a pan, which you can do in a dry pan if it's non-stick. And I'm popping some goat's cheese on top, which I love because it's tangy. So you've got the tanginess, the sweetness, the bitterness. You can see how it's all coming together. Then I'm going to add some pistachio nuts on top. This is looking good already. Extra colour, I'm just adding some baby beetroots to my plate. So this is a dressing, it's a regular French dressing, but I've added turmeric, which lifts and warms the flavour. So when you're having it on an autumn salad and on a cold day, it just tastes a lot better. So popping some of that on, it's made with extra virgin olive oil, and that's it. A beautiful winter salad on a plate.